expressions natin ay tonal quality. I'm referring to the high notes kanina. May mga flats. Bakit? Anong kulang? Ba't tayo nagpa-flat? Kulang ng effort. So, let's do the breathing. And then, delivery, you have to enunciate the in. Diba? Because you have to exert a lot of effort kasi high notes. Kailangan ma-hit natin yung high notes. Okay. Considering the, ano pa, bubuelo tayo. Pag bumuelo tayo, ano yung kailangan gawin natin? Let's consider expressions. Facial expression. Now, you have to raise the cheeks. Now, you can close your eyes at the same time. O, sa body expressions naman, you have to move yung hand moves, arm works, shoulder moves. No? You can bend your knees then at the same time. And then, the vocal, anong kailangan natin gawin? Enunciated ang pag-deliver. Get it? Okay. Pero, make sure na pag nag-inhale ka, no? Control then, not just the high notes, even the lower notes. Alright? Okay. So, balik tayo doon sa part ng after instrumental. Ready?